first. Like, this is the first thing that I do for people when they give me money. And I'm like, okay, let's figure out who's spending money in your categories. And then let's make a plan to only do activities that gets us closer to those offices. So we'll go in, we'll just put small business, primary NAICS code.
541512.
Zip code.
80232.
So here is identified 34 agencies that match your profile, and it shows you the different offices. I'm gonna click all just so I can, for this purpose of this case study. I would never do this in real life, but so you can just have an idea. So it lists, most of the spinnings in Colorado, and then Arizona, Oklahoma, New Mexico. Always you're gonna find anything Army, Navy, Air Force, Department of War, they're always gonna be top spenders. So the sub-agency is Department of Agriculture, and then the contracting officer command is the Office of Chief Financial Officer in Agriculture. Okay, so let's go through the rest of the tabs. Here are all the contacts for the offices and the commands that you see. Agriculture Research Service, Bureau of Land Management, Bureau of Reclamation. So you could call this number or email them and ask them, hey, do you have an upcoming procurement forecast somewhere I can't find on your website? The third tab are companies who already have contracts with those NAICS codes with those offices. The third tab is IDV contracts.
Is it common for them to be like 5 years into a contract and then they open up a subcontractor opportunity?
No, but they're not necessarily 5 years in, right? They come in at different points of time. But as we start to do further research in these commands and these offices, we will then get a list of contract vehicles. I mean, you kind of have a lot of that here, right? So this is a system design. This is the FAA. You want to know where your target government offices are going to be. So when I start talking to some of these agencies on this list, so these are their priorities. These are some of the challenges right now with Air Mobility Command. I don't know if any of this aligns with what you do or have experiences, but if you can go through this list and see that if you have direct experience in any of these areas, that's where I would target first.
How would I know exactly like where the Air Force Material Command would be at for a conference? Is there a
So here, I like Forest Service for you, because Forest Service, Department of Agriculture, probably everybody's not chasing them, Fernando.
Yeah.
Let's do this. I want to do a new report. I'm going to choose civilian agencies only. Let's focus on the 18 here. And these are some smaller targets, much easier for you to actually start to build real relationships with the people. Here, I know that Bureau of Land Management is going to be at this event in DC. I'm going to be there. I spoke to the director already. I know that Agriculture Research Services, they're hosting something out here. I'm going to be there because I want to meet them because they're a target client of mine. You follow me?
Yeah.
That's how you start to make a difference. I hope you learned a lot today, brother. I hope you learned a lot, man.
I appreciate the help.